We'll just get that coffee machine packed into the bag. Bye. Hello again, Peter here. How are you going? Today I'm on my way from Brisbane to Singapore, on my way to Portugal to see my dad. So come along and see what I get up to on the way. Catch us in a bit. Okay, so we've landed at Singapore Airport. Just mayhem, everyone going everywhere. The flight from Brisbane to Singapore was okay. 2 seats on the side of the plane, with some fella that slept the whole flight. It was a little bit tight, not too bad. Food was average. But yeah, they have little iPads that you can use on there. So I didn't really watch any of the TV though, just listened to an audio book. So I've just been to Irvins to get these famous crisps. We'll test them out in a bit. Spotted the Irvins, so I've got the Irvins. And now I'm just going to try and work out where I've got to go for my next connection, and maybe see some sights of Singapore Airport. So we'll catch up with you in a bit. Just grab this robot wandering around. Have a walk in here before I work out where I'm going to be going. All the top stores in here. You got Tiffany over there. Don't really know where I'm going at the moment. I'm still in T1 where I arrived, so I'm just wandering around a few shops in here, and then I think I've got to get on a train or something to T2. I'm not going to buy one, but might just go and have a look how much the Neo 2 drones are in here. Picked up a little mini trolley, so I'm taking the strain off my back. There's probably all these shops in Terminal 2, I don't know, but I'll just do a loop and then head over there. So I just asked an employee, and apparently the Jewel, this waterfall that you can see, you have to go out through customs, but if you go to Terminal 3 on the SkyTrain and then come back to Terminal 2 on the SkyTrain, you go past it. So we'll see if we can do that. So we just got off the SkyTrain to T3, walk across the carpet, and we'll get the SkyTrain to T2 and see if this fellow was right that said we'll see this waterfall. So here comes the train. We'll jump on this and go to T2, which is where my flight's actually leaving from to go to Germany. Seems to be a few exciting people on here. Let's see what we see. Maybe it's inside here. There it is. There's the waterfall. Blocked by a train.
Excited so much.
There you go, so he was right then. A couple of robots knocking around this airport. I don't know what this one is. What is it? Looks nice, doesn't it? Fish in there, good koi. Be see-through. Very cool. Came up the escalator too soon for the sunflower garden, so I'll head back down again. Giving the old back a workout, that's for sure. Glad they've got these little trolleys so you can take a bit of weight off. Let's try again. See where we end up this time. Looks like a food hall to me. Well, it was sort of tasty but also a bit iffy at the same time. There was like little bits of fish skin and bones in it, so on the whole tasty, but hopefully not too dodgy. I'll let you know. Right, up another escalator. Let's see if we found it this time. Maybe, maybe not. That's not what I'm looking for. Very nice, but not what I'm looking for. That's looking positive. It's a sign that says sunflower garden, so let's keep going. Well, I found it. Only problem is it's dark. So let's have a close-up on some sunflowers. So I've just changed the settings on the Insta360 X5 to pure video, which supposedly gives you better viewing in dark, and it does look like that's the case. So there we go. The sunflower garden. We found it. Almost too late. Might as well look at the airport while we're here. Just to see really. Plenty of sunflowers. And the smoker's joint. The sunflower garden smoking area. There we go. Oh well, at least we found it. Lovely jubbly. It's a long, long way to the gate. I'm glad they've got these walking escalator things. 26 and we're on 23 now. Eons to go. A couple of small, very small things. pretty good, they're very cheesy. Yep, like them. Check them out if you go to Singapore.